What's up, guys? Cryptomindd here. Let's talk about XRP. First of all, XRP kind of looks good, but I will talk about in a second why. Um, but I know that many people think XRP could go still to $500 or whatever. Guys, that will never happen. Sorry to disappoint you. XRP is very promising crypto, but it will never see $500, just so you know. Anyway, let's talk about it. How does the price action look? Right now, the price action looks kind of okay, actually. It's holding pretty stable compared to other altcoins. So what can we expect here? Many people are overcomplicating the perspective on XRP. So before I talk about this triangle, let's talk about where we are right now, which is in this zone between 30, just let's round it off, 30 cents and 55 cents, right? This is just purely an accumulation zone, guys. Nothing more than that. It's nothing special. It's not going anywhere unless this resistance here at 55 cents breaks. If this one breaks, yes, we'll see higher incoming. But as long as we are in here, we have to see the possibility that this still rejects, definitely with, well, not definitely with, but accordingly to how Bitcoin reacts, this could still see lower momentum back towards this zone here. Now, what seems most logical to me that will happen to XRP is if we go back to that triangle, is that something like this happens, for example. And I will explain in a second why. That we do this, something like this, to eventually break this resistance right here, and then to see upside momentum back incoming. There's a logical reason why I expect that, and let's for that zoom out a little bit. So if we look at this momentum right here for XRP, we can see same thing happened. We formed a triangle-ish pattern, a more clear triangle actually than this one, but same. We had a long-term consolidation. We could assume that this point here is where we roughly are right now. The price dumped a little bit more to eventually explode to the upside. Here we can see like a scam wick, which is probably not true on real price action, which didn't happen. But anyway, the price just exploded then to the upside to then eventually go down again. The same happened prior in 2015, 16, 17, when XRP exploded basically to $3. And this triangle looks a lot more like this triangle right here. And if we just zoom out like this, we could see that we have this huge momentum here, same like here, we have this huge momentum, but then we find ourselves in that consolidation zone, which we could consider to be somewhere around here. What happened when we broke out here was that we rejected, went down, up. A lot of people probably already went long here. Price tended to dump a little bit more. And then it just exploded right from 0.005 cents all the way to $3, which was an amazing run. Like, I remember this was the time that I roughly got into crypto. I missed on XRP, but I had some friends that I knew that bought XRP around these levels. They are pretty comfortable right now. So yeah, that's a little bit of the story. I do expect that XRP does a similar price reaction thing. Maybe here, we hold support, we break out to eventually still see this, something like that, and then see an explosion towards the upside. As for now, XRP does look bullish. Do I expect XRP to break under this level here of 30 cents? Not really, but what would that be? Like more than a 50% drop. I do not expect XRP to drop another 50% or 60%, honestly. But if we do break under this support, which is obviously possible, this would be considered a very interesting target for XRP. Let me move this a little bit. and this would seem like another interesting target for XRP. I highly doubt that that will happen, because towards the last target that I just mentioned, it will be a 70-80% drop. I highly doubt that that will happen. But a drop towards this bottom here again of 30-35% is definitely possible, as well with what I said in the last video. If you didn't see it, make sure to check it out, about Bitcoin dominance. As long as Bitcoin dominance is going to the upside, the altcoins will most likely see some downside momentum or consolidative bearish momentum. Overall, XRP might look good and might be good soon for an explosion, but try to enter as low as possible, which in my opinion will be around these regions right here. We will most likely see a retest of this incoming in the next coming weeks or months, so capitalize on it. If we do see a accumulation fake out to say, we could see around these levels here incoming, as I said, but for now that seems highly doubted. I would be focused on the 30-cent level to accumulate as much as I could there, because the returns might be big. Will XRP again explode to $3 or higher? God knows. I really don't know. But it is possible for it to see higher momentum. If we just pull our FIBs, my FIBs fully changed. Gotta have to change them again, so never mind. But it is definitely possible for XRP to see higher momentum incoming. We just have to be patient and see how this thing will eventually break out. Know for XRP to really see bullish momentum, and considering $1 plus again, we need to break above this resistance, guys. It's not because we break above this that XRP suddenly will moon. It is possible with its past behavior though. It is very possible. But we have to anticipate on this resistance here, as well with the lawsuit still going on, I guess. There are a lot of factors that we have to keep in mind. Anyway, XRP looks pretty good as for now. Let's see how it evolves. See you in the next video.